chicken. You need this rather important chicken. This is chicken drop number 4. As soon as this chicken arrives, which should be arriving any minute now, via Maya and Tropic Island here, who knows? Something is about to happen. Whoever the side king, you're the password, the password. Pump it, DJ Leo, pump it. Bring them on the sexy chicken tune, man. That's your chicken. Now this one is a real shitter. This one is called stew. Yeah. Stew chicken? No, not chicken stew. Stew chicken.
That's tomorrow night. That's pretty good.
No, that's this one. That's this one there. Chicken stew is tomorrow. Yeah, no, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this chicken, you'll swirl it around 3 times. Shake it up and down hard 3 times. Then you blow in the chicken's butt and then you let it go. You ready? Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
You ready. Go for it, David. Swirl the chicken.
Yeah!
Swirl, shake. Pump it, DJ Leo. Hold on.
Number 9.
You have to shake to the beat. Pump it, DJ Leo. Pump it. Shake. Hold it. You get to blow the chicken's butt, man.
Take a deep breath.
Good blow. Hard blow. What's that a good blow? Man, this shit is serious. You gotta blow the chicken's butt, dude. Blow the chicken's behind. Alright! Drop the chicken, man! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, chicken drop number 4 is on its way. Nice, that is looking up! Ladies and gentlemen! We got a winner. We've got a winner. Thank you, David. That's the kind of shit I'm talking about, man. Where's my winner? Pause for me. I'll hold the bear. I'll hold your bear. I'll hold on to your balancing. They might knock you up. They might knock him up. You do gotta clean that shit up. You don't feel yourself $100. How you feel? Up to the times with your super. Now. Thank you. Here you go. You take that to the bar and they give you your money. Here's a garbage can right here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. That was chicken drop number 4.